Once upon a time, on a cold day in Namibia, our stress levels were running high. We need to bring the magnet down this steep incline, all the way through the parking. Once upon a time, on a cold day in Namibia, the stress levels were running high. We need to bring our magnet down the steep incline at the end, through the parking, all the way to the end and then into the building. 6,000 kilograms of sheer steel and gas needs to come down here in one piece, as the ceiling is too low for a truck to fit. So the forklift from my previous video will need to go up there, collect the magnet and bring it down here without spilling a drop. So stress levels are high and the blood pressure is even higher. Until the next video, take care and good luck.